Pop a wheelie.
Oops. It's gonna be a sorry disappointment.
Well, what'd you do with my cheeseburger?
Say hello to my little friend.
Did we just lose Tran?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. My name is Miss Amelia and you're about to watch me fix some shit. Yes, I still have tires in the back of my car because I have no idea where I'm going to put them and I can't find a dumpster for them yet. But I am headed to Shear Performance to swap the busted transmission on Mimi so that we can take her to the 8th mile tomorrow and get a baseline of a time. I haven't eaten in over 24 hours, so I'm going to stop at a Chick-fil-A because it's the fastest thing that I can find around here because I'm on a time crunch, but I condone eating healthy. Do not take my lead in many things than just that. Thank you.
My pleasure. You guys have a great day, okay? Thank you.
Stop plug. Chick-fil-A is the fucking nicest people ever. Poor Pre-Pre. I think she's on her last leg. I gotta do a good little look over on her. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You looking up the NHRA rules?
Yeah, I'm looking, well, Irwindale drag strip rules.
Okay.
Just says like if you need a helmet or not and all this, but I don't think you're gonna be able to allow to race.
Really? How come?
It says no pieces of you know.
Wait, I'm still concerned. I'll see you in a bit.
All right, see ya.
Tran's a shot, but I need an alignment tomorrow before the 8th mile, so I'm gonna go baby her to an alignment shop. If she breaks down, Sandy's gonna grab a ratchet strap and just pull me back if necessary. I mean, we're not gonna break the trans anymore. The AC's not gonna work anymore?
Nope.
Damn. Because it's hot. It's so hot I can't turn the key. All right, burn finger boys, here we come. All right, technically first time street driving. This bad girl and getting a lot of looks. I don't know if it's the sound of the misfire that could pass as a cam. I don't know if it's the ghetto-ness. I don't know if me and an old guard's one of the above. This is like redlining. I don't think I can go much more than this, guys. That's why Justin added fluid, because they were thinking, oh, maybe like it's just not shifting because it's low on fluid. No, the trans isn't shifting at all.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you doing? Good. I'm here at Shear Performance to bring the G-body, also known as POS. All right, alignment done. It looks good. Before it wasn't too bad, a little bit of toe and camber in the front, but overall we're all evened out, and you know that's really gonna help us when we're trying to do a 7-second pass tomorrow, well, on a quarter mile. All right, time to baby at home. Sandy found a transmission, and I'll show you guys what it is when we get back to the shop. Easiest story ever. PTT action going on. We got Mimi on the lift. If you guys watched the last episode, then you know we blew up the transmission. I'm just gonna say it was always like that. It definitely was not the nitro shots. But Dave from Orange County Transmissions, he's next door to us here. He had a Powerglide that he had a spare of who he's gonna let us borrow for tomorrow, and hopefully we're not gonna break.
We're just not gonna hook the trans brake up for this pass. Oh, I'm sorry. We're just not gonna break the trans on this pass.
Okay. Oh yeah, chrome is a lifestyle.
For you it is.
Still can't get behind it.
Nope.
Well, I recall you guys saying that this is the type of job that can be done in an hour.
Oh, it's like that now.
All of a sudden, once I call you out.
Oh, we can do it.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know if this was gonna be.
You think it'd take us an hour?
You're gonna have to play like an elapsed video and put like the Benny Hill theme song to it.
And the age difference is showing. So we might be leaking some coolant. We're raising up Mimi a little bit more. We'll take a look. I don't think the track officials like that very much. We're looking at the guidelines right now for Irwindale tomorrow. A couple things we're missing. A coolant overflow, a seatbelt. Fail. I know you're trying to say fuel hose.
Sandy.
But we can't run more than 12 inches of rubber lines. We'll probably have to do stainless. Battery strap. cap, blow down tube, and we're missing a lug nut. Is the gas cap really that necessary though?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure they won't let that one slide?
Welcome to try. You're gonna waste our whole day if you do.
Either that or you're gonna slick the track down with gas and they're gonna go, haha, yeah, no, you gone.
All right, we're ready to start getting to work and dropping the trans.
Oh yeah.
Member have been taken off. Justin is removing the lines. Sandy's disconnecting the trans housing from the engine. I'm here for moral support at this point. You're doing great. Keep it up. You're a little sunburned. All right, we got the trans out. The guys are putting the new one on this nice little trans track. All right, we got the converter in. You said it's an 18 to 20. We don't know. Okay. Well,
It's looser than stock.
It's looser than stock. It says 18 to 2000.
well, that's in. We got some fluid in her. I mean, we're ready to pretty much just bring her back up and drop her in. Easiest trans job I've ever had to do. This could really be done by like one person with a blindfold and no arm.
It's very easy.
I don't know why we have 3 people on this. What you doing there?
Band-aiding your for tomorrow.
Loving the chrome dipstick.
That's extra.
It adds horsepower, right?
Hold the case. This thing does not want to go in. That's probably why there was no O-ring on it before.
Come on, wiggle it.
Fly little Forrest, shake it. Tell
There
us,
it
Daddy.
goes.
There you
Oh
go.
yeah. Oh.
It's a fun job.
Once you get to the second stage, it goes faster.
It's just like nitrous.
This thing's only got one stage.
Yeah, well, if it had 2, it wouldn't go
Fast.
faster.
So the lunch truck will not be at Irwindale tomorrow, but you are bringing the Capri. The police.
Capri?
Capri Sun.
Oh,
You're gonna bring your soda tomorrow, your little sippy juice?
I'm gonna bring a can of whoop ass for you.
Oh, okay. You're gonna be rather embarrassed when this walks you.
I have a feeling this thing's gonna backfire flames and be on fire as I cross the finish line. Like, you won't leave the line. They will be hitting you with fire extinguishers.
So the transmission that we had in Mimi, prior, the one that blew, it was a 3-speed turbo 200. The one we're putting in that we're temporarily borrowing and hopefully don't blow, it's a 2-speed Powerglide. As far as I know, you'll either red light or you'll stall, and that's gonna be my only advantage.
Shit, if I red light?
Or you miss-shift.
Okay, it's an automatic.
If you stall an automatic,
If I stole an automatic
so
fuel-injected LS, I am gonna be good.
I would be very impressed. The tuner sucks.
And red light don't matter. I'm not gonna red
The
light.
tuner's GM.
My honest question though is, can someone run faster than what this will put down?
Hopefully the safety crew will, because this thing's gonna be on fire.
Well, my life. Honestly, my goal tomorrow, it's not necessarily to beat you, it's to make sure the car doesn't blow or catch on fire. That's all I want out of tomorrow.
Just end tomorrow alive.
With a bang. Are you driving to the track?
No.
No.
Well, she's driving the Prius. That would be f***ing funny.
I think we just might have to. We're gonna drag race the Prius against Mimi. Yeah, I think, honest to God though, the Prius would take this off the line.
The Prius will take this all the way down the track.
Think so? With the shot?
You're probably gonna spin. You're gonna have traction problems. All the sheer performance puns you guys can think of. Go. I got none.
Sheer luck.
That let's makes it down the 8th mile.
Justin thinks it's gonna be a sheer disappointment. Are you serious?
Seriously?
Shirley, you must be joking.
Well, my name's Shirley.
Don't call me Shirley.
Is there a gap?
Hang on, let me get up on here.
Okay.
Let's see. Easy, girl.
Is there a gap?
There is a gap, but not as big as the one that's gonna be between me and this car tomorrow.
Oh, savage!
Drive line is in. We're good.
Shift linkage. Shift linkage.
You're okay.
I'll live.
Yeah, so we just have the shift linkage, but Justin's like fapping something because we don't want to mess with the guys.
The side bracket on the side of the trans, it's probably worth more than the transmission.
So it's the one thing we don't want to break.
Yeah, it's like original 1967, like legit OE piece. And the trans guy was like, you can do whatever you want. You can borrow my trans. If you break it, whatever. If you break the case, we'll talk about it. He goes, but if you mess up that shift linkage, I will kill you.
So we're gonna try not to do that. You're not wearing a mask.
No.
Bracket's been welded on. We're gonna fill up with trans fluid and then go for a drive. Do you know where the keys are?
They're not in the ignition?
No.
Check the visor.
So we only got park and neutral and it's extremely difficult to shift.
You're definitely gonna lose to Justin to go into reverse.
I will race you in reverse down the drag strip. No, you're in reverse too. You gotta give me some chance, man.
Bye.
Top floor, please. We're having issues clearancing the shift link to the header right now, but I'm chilling all the way up here. Oh, I'm going up again. We good?
I think so.
All right, cool. We are good to go. Every gear works, and I'm gonna pull her out. I'm gonna pull her out to take some thumbnails before the sun goes down, and then let's take her on a little rippy rip. Yeah, listen to that belt. Oh, she shifts. I think she shifts. Get out of here, man. Good to see you.
See you later.
Ciao, amigo.
Tomorrow. When
Tomorrow.
you pulled out and flipped it, I seriously, I was like, second guessing this race.
Oh, shut up. You already know you're gonna walk this. I didn't realize how shot the trans was though until even just pulling around the corner, I'm like, oh, I have control. It actually goes when I hit the gas.
Yo, yeah, the trans was smoked. This thing has a way worse first gear, but still is way better than the other one.
Huge difference.
Should be interesting. Should run good.
Oh yeah, tomorrow will be a lot of fun. As long as we pass tech.
And it doesn't rain. Matt said there was like a 30% chance or something.
Really?
Meteorologist said it today.
Well, my algebra teacher said it won't, so I think we're good.
I'll see you later.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, even just pulling around the corner there, I didn't realize how unresponsive the pedal was until I was driving to do the alignment, and it was like, oh, no bueno. And then now just pulling around there, the power went with the pedal, so I feel like I stand a fighting chance, especially with the 250 shot. As long as nothing blows, I think we'll be golden. But let's give this a little rippy rip. Make sure she doesn't act up. So let's see if this shifts.
Well, it moves.
Yeah, it feels
That's
a
a
lot
bonus.
better, yeah. I actually feel like I have power. I didn't realize before. I was like, oh, the engine's dying. I was like, oh shit, the trans.
Oh no, it shifts.
There, yeah.
It just shifted.
Yeah.
It's got 456s in it.
It's like a boat.
That's high gear.
There's so much play and it still goes straight. You think I can drift it?
I don't want to try it.
This is like the perfect lot for donuts. So we're trying to save the bottle, so I'm not gonna do any bottle pulls right now.
That ain't gonna do it.
No, it's not gonna do anything.
No.
Alright, let's see. Come on!
Alright.
I don't know, I feel like there's still a little bit of room there. So when you say I have to manually shift it, I have to f***ing shove this down one? It doesn't go down anymore.
Pull back. There you go.
So I'm flooring it. If I start hearing and go, what that, I'll f***ing just pull it down.
No, you need to start in low.
And then shift up one?
Yes. So
Okay.
pull down all the way. Pull back and shift down. All right, you're
Yeah.
good. Now grab the shifter. No, nice and easy.
Okay.
Pull up one gear lightly. There you go. There's second.
Do I do it while I'm floor pedal
You
down to the floor?
You can, but what I was trying to do is make sure you don't go up and hit reverse.
Yeah.
There's no lockout, there's no neutral safety, there's no nothing.
Well, that'll be fun. So it shifts. That's all we need to know. I scared Sandy a little bit, and we'll
Passenger well.
see what kind of numbers we put down tomorrow. Comment below. Let me know your guesses. Genuinely, the person who guesses the legitimate time, you only get one guess. I will PayPal you $5. So overall, that took us probably about an hour and a half to do the whole trans and film, which is huge. This was like an easy day. That trans, literally the yoke, drive line, everything was a perfect drop-in replacement for the 2-speed Powerglide. So I easily think this could have been done in 45 minutes if we weren't filming. It was a very easy job. And usually this is road, knock on wood, but it's done. So I am so ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then hop on the road. And we should be good to pass tech. We got just about everything squared away. I'll see you tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Tomorrow?
We're gonna break things tomorrow.
Oh, yes we are. This is the first time I'm actually leaving where there's still light outside. I won't see you tomorrow, but I'll see you soon.
Yep, have fun.
Thank you. Well, no guarantees. Well, look at this beautiful Prius. Since my helmet's not gonna pass tech, I'm going to stop by Thomas's place to borrow his motorcycle helmet and say what up because I haven't seen him in a while. I say it every video and I will say it again. You guys follow Shear Performance, show them some love. I know the family is strong Ecrew, and if you guys are in the OC area, they will work on your American vehicle. And Sandy's especially fond of Fords. Clutch jobs, swaps, brakes, anything, they'll take care of you. Stopped off at Thomas and Lamara's. Thomas let me borrow his Snell certified helmet for tomorrow, and they made me dinner and we had a very yummy, delicious dinner. Lamara, thank you. It was great hospitality. I miss you guys and I hope we can hang out more. So I'm gonna head home now and get prepared for tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and close out here. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I am so excited, and don't forget to comment below what 8th mile time you think Mimi's putting down tomorrow. Ecrew, we out here. Comment we out here if you watch to the end. With love. Bye!